2026 tax filing season. In today's video, not answering this question correctly on your 2025 tax return can possibly delay your 2026 tax refund. So make sure you stay tuned for all of the details. But before we begin, as always, welcome back, everyone. So very happy to have you back for another IRS update. This information is being shared from irs.gov. Now, the IRS is reporting that everyone must answer the digital asset question. Everyone who files Form 709, 1040, 1040-SR, 1040-NR, 1041, 1065, 1120, and 1120S, you must check one box answering yes or no to the digital asset question. The question must be answered by all taxpayers, not just by those who engage in transactions involving digital assets in 2024. Now let's go over exactly how the question reads. At any time during the tax year, did you receive a reward or payment for property or services? Or did you sell, exchange, or otherwise dispose of a digital asset or a financial interest in a digital asset? Now let's go over how you should answer the digital asset question according to the Internal Revenue Service. If you did not have any digital asset transactions, you must answer no. Check no in the digital asset box if you didn't own any digital assets, only own or held digital assets in a wallet or account, but did not engage in any digital asset transactions during the year. Purchased but did not sell digital assets using U.S. or other real currency, including through electronic platforms. Transfer digital assets from one wallet or account you own or control to another wallet or account you own or control unless you paid a transaction fee with digital assets. This would be a digital asset transaction. Now let's go over the scenarios in which you would answer yes to the digital asset question. Answer yes if you receive digital assets for payment for property of services provided, a reward or award, mining, staking, and similar activities, an airdrop as it relates to a hard fork, as well as if you dispose, sold, exchange, or transferred ownership of digital assets for another digital asset for U.S. dollars or other currency in exchange or trade for property, goods, or services in any amount, as well as paying a transfer fee with digital assets and a transfer of ownership or financial interest. And you have a financial interest in a digital asset if you are recorded as the owner of a digital asset, have an ownership stake in an account that holds one or more digital assets, including the rights and obligations to acquire a financial interest, own a wallet that holds digital assets. If any of those apply to you, you must answer yes to the digital asset question. How to report digital asset transactions. If you have digital asset transactions, you must report them whether or not they result in a taxable gain or loss. And to report digital asset transactions, here are the IRS suggestions. Keep records, calculate your capital gain or loss, and determine your basis. And finally, report your digital asset transactions on the correct form. Make sure to share with us in the comments if you already filed your 2025 5 tax return. Did you answer the digital asset question correctly? And of course, don't forget to subscribe, hit that notification bell, and come back for more 2026 tax refund update and breaking news. Bye-bye.